The southern colonies are bordered by the Appalachian Mountains on the west and the Atlantic Ocean on the east. The colony's soil and climate is suitable for warm weather crops such as tobacco, indigo, and rice.
The social-political life in the colonies. There are plantations, slavery, mansions, indentured servants, fewer cities, and few schools.
The natural resources include fertile land, rivers, harbors. Human resources are farmers and enslaved African Americans.
Social political plantations, slavery, mansions, indentured servants, fewer cities, few schools. Church of England expected to follow the church.
Had more economic freedom and could work for pay and decide how to spend their money. They were able to own land, but they were not allowed to vote.
Worked the land according to the region, relied on family members for labor. They worked without pay for the person who paid their passage.
Were captured in their native African and sold to slave traders, where they were shipped to colonies and they were sold into slavery, born into slavery with life but no rights.